If you watched our previous video, Hypnotize Yourself to be a Chicken, we realized you may be having excessive yawning, and we apologize for this.
A side effect noted by my sister.
So please, if you are yawning, well, I'm about to put you into another trance to help you. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is relax. Maybe twiddle your thumbs, twiddle your eyes, go on Twitter. Maybe you need to think about something like petting a cat. There is a soft cat right in front of you. Stick your hand out and pet it. Pet it softly. Oh, yes. Softer, softer. Yes, it purrs. It likes you. It purrs.
Yay! Kitty like me.
There, you are now relaxing and probably in a state of trance. Now, my first command is for you to take a deep breath out and a deep breath in. It's just like in the other video where you take a deep breath in and then out, only backwards. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? See, I'm reversing the trance.
Magically reversed!
Now, on the count of 3, you're going to wake up from your trance and you will stop yawning. 1, 2, 3. You are now healed.
Probably not, but okay.
Praise the Lord.
Try our Lucky Charms. They're magically delicious.